Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Spellbinders in. I have not gotten a box like this in for Spellbinders, but what I did is I changed my subscription. So I've been with Spellbinders 3 years now, and I pretty much have never missed a kit. And well, this time so I've been with them for quite a while, and it was always called like the works, and I always paid $85, and then it went up a few months ago to $92.50 I think it was, because they started charging tax. And so my subscription went into the $90 range. Then they came out with this, well, they probably had it for a while, but then I started noticing, I'm like, wait a minute, don't they have other kits? And so I went and I was looking at the other kits they offer, and one of them, I think the highest tier you can get, I think is called the total package or something like that. So I started looking into that, and basically you get everything I got before, but now you're getting like the stamp set, the embossing folder, and the glimmer plate for like $9 more. So I was like, well, I'm not a dumb chick, so let me change my subscription. I don't own the glimmer machine. I had no interest in the glimmer machine. I kind of still don't have any interest in the glimmer machine, so I'm going to get the glimmer machine. So, you know, because that's how it works, right? So I'm like, okay, let me just get the glimmer machine. But, so let me show you exactly what you get for, I think it was $109. So $109, and you get all of this. So let's look. So you get the stamp of the month. It's a clear stamp of the month. And this is what you get. So cute. These could be used for Christmas. Throw a little bow, like a Christmas bow on there. These could be for Christmas. These look like a wedding gift. I mean, you can use this for anything. And oh, so you get the clear stamp and die of the month. Oh, so you get the coordinating die. So you get the sentiment and the actual presents. That's cool. Okay, so this is new for me. Yeah, this is new for me. So that's cool. Let me show you the other new thing for me. So this glimmer of the month, this is also new. Now we're talking like what, like $7 more, and I got already these two things and this, a whole glimmer thing. So this should be fun. And the embossing folder. So the embossing folder is it's a really great size, and I think this is a slimline. I think you're able to use it as a slimline or a mini slimline. It is a 5.5 by 8.5, so it should be a slimline. Yeah, so for A2 slimline, 5x7 cards and more. Yeah, so that's really cool. So it's a sunburst. And so this basically, oh, and you get the hot foil system. This one's aluminum, so you get the actual glimmer paper. And so I got all this extra for $9, you guys. Yeah, no brainer. Sign me up. So I did. So you can still get this kit. So what they recommend, because I had to go through all this myself, because you don't get any special treatment because you've been with them so many years. What you end up doing is, if you wanted this kit, you can sign up now up until April. Is there 30 days in 30 or 31 days in April, right? So up until those days, until May 1st. May 1st it changes, and then you can cancel and then start this subscription, so that way you don't get double everything, because this, you know, what you get here for the works is what you would get for the total package minus these things. So it's just better to wait till the 1st. Okay, now you have small die of the month. This is almost like a matching one, but a bigger version, and it shows you that, a gift for you. Super fun. And then you can go to their design team or spellbinders.com, and they have videos showing you how to put these together. Now, APG die of the month, amazing. I love her stuff so much. This is Amazing Paper Grace, and this is just awesome stuff. So this makes a watering can. Is that not fun? You get the flowers and everything. It's just amazing. So when I saw a preview of that, I was like, yeah, that's awesome. I cannot wait to use this one, you guys. Look at all the samples that the DT people have been doing. It has been amazing. It's called Say Cheese. It's the large die of the month. I want to play with this one like immediately. The Christy Marcotte, hers was gorgeous. No. Her sample was gorgeous. How about we just try and finish English here? So yeah, I loved it so much. But I cannot wait to put this one together. They knock it out of the park every month, you guys. Honestly, they really do. They're just, Spellbinders, very generous company. I mean, $109 and you get all of this. Hello. That's just amazing. So this is the card kit of the month. And I always get the card kit. And it is so fun. You get 10 bases, 10 envelopes. Standard comes in every month it comes in your kit. You get the pop dots, the tape. Always. It's awesome. You get 9, which I kind of think is funny. I've always said it. It's funny. You get 9 sheets of paper. Why not 10? I don't know, but I just think that's hilarious. So you get a lilac, a yellow, a white, and it changes every month, a blue, a green, pink, and hot pink, and a green, a forest green. No, this was a forest green, this was a lawn green, and the gold. You always get the gold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. You always get 9 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. Awesome. Cardstock, I should say. Cardstock. And here's the fun stuff. You get a stamp set. So you always get a stamp set. And it's just so fun. Oh. And then you get a die set also with your card kit. Now all of this stuff is a la carte. You don't have to get the total package. You don't have to get all of that. You can get a la carte. You can just get the large die, small die card kit, which I think is fantastic. And if you don't like that month's kit, you know, that happens. It happens quite a bit. If you don't like that month's kit, all you have to do is skip a month. And that is pretty darn cool too. So you get a fence and all these flowers. So fun. So that's what you get in the card kit. And you get some clear. Ooh, these are really clear. Clear sequins. Awesome. Those are really cool. And you get some chipboard stickers, which I adore. I adore all of their embellishments. They're just, honestly, they're fabulous. I use them for my project life, and yep, love it. You get little puffy stickers, little sentiments. Awesome. And you get, let me go through the paper pad. So this one is called Picket Fences. So we are at Picket Fences. So you get two of each. Pink, blue, hearts. Oh, look at those hearts. Those are so cute. I like a map. More florals. Yellow. Oh, these have little gold foil on them. Pink. You can fussy cut those out. Little sentiments. Foil. Trees. Swans. And that is it. Cute. Cute paper. Okay, now here's the fun. Oh, I can't get enough of their embellishments. Their die cuts. They're just awesome. I'm going to skim through them because they have videos on Spellbinders does, and they show you every single one in like still frame, and that is way better than what I could ever do. So, but I'll just throw them out real quick. So we'll just look at them real quick together. Here's a car. People having coffee. People having coffee. Fun. So, birds. You get so many, you guys. It's awesome. You get flowers. This one seems like a floral kit. I would just imagine it's for spring, right? So, couple walking their dog. A house. My daughter and her boyfriend just bought a house together, so their move-in date is in June, so I'll be able to make a card for them because it looks like it's like a housewarming kind of thing. So that's awesome. Then a baby carriage, cake, sentiments. Oh, look at the coffee. Coffee is wonderful. Another cafe. Welcome. So, what are these big ones? Oh, it's a bigger house. How cute. Trees. See, and I loved, you know, when you can just put them together and you can just have fun with them. So you can, like, do this, put them together this way, or, like, cover it up a little bit, and then maybe add, you know, like, little sentiment. It's just, sky's the limit when it comes to this stuff. I adore it. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this month's card kit. And like I said, this is my new thing, the total package. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.